Hello dear students, welcome back to series of videos on Accenture presented by Maitri Academy. I am Hari Krishna. Today in this session we'll try to look at the odd man out questions. As we know, in the Accenture written examination we are getting 15 questions from abstract reasoning. In the 15 questions, 2 to 3 questions are covered from odd man out topic. So in this video we'll try to look at what are the different types of questions we'll see under odd man out and what are the prerequisites required and how to tackle. If you observe this, what is the odd man out of the following 1, 2, 3, 4? We can easily say odd man out here is going to be the third one. So odd man out is a very simple one. We just need to figure out the one which is different out of the given 4 option choices. So picking the different one is a concept in the odd man out. So basically we will be seeing 3 types of questions majorly in odd man out. One is letter based questions, the other one is number based questions, the other one is word based questions. So we'll look at one by one. Let's look at the letter based questions. So before we are solving the letter based questions, the prerequisite is you have to remember alphabets with the respective positions, then only you will be feeling very comfortable of solving the questions. So using EJOT or you just memorize all the alphabet. Let's look at the question number 1. 4 letter clusters are given below. Out of this, 3 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. Find that. If you observe, C, L, D, P, E, T, F, X are given. So let me take the alphabet positions. C is the 3rd alphabet, L is the 12th alphabet and D is the 4th alphabet, P is the 16th alphabet and E is the 5th alphabet, T is the 28th alphabet and F is 6 and X is 24. When you look at the addition of these numbers, so this is 15 and this is 20 and this is 25 and this is 30. Out of this, which of the following is the odd one? So all are 5 multipliers, but if you look at this number 25 is a perfect square when you add up the digits. So that means odd man out here is going to be option C. Or otherwise, we can also say the other reason. If you look at C, L, D, P and F, X, all are consonants, started with the consonant letter and E is the only one vowel. So the word is starting with a vowel. So you can mark the answer choice as option C here. If you look at this question, mark the odd one out of the following. P, R, U, U, W, Z, C, E, H, Y, A, E. So let's take the alphabet positions. P is 16, R is 18, U is 21 and U is 21, W is 23, Z is 26 and C is 3, E is 5, H is 8. Similarly, Y is 25, A is 1, E is 5. If you observe 16 and 18, there is a difference of 2. 21, 23, difference of 2, and 25, 26 and 1, so there is a difference of 2. The first pair is having the same differences. We cannot able to mark what is the odd one here. Let's look at the difference of the next letters. 18 become 21, there is an increase of 3 and 23 become 26, there is an increase of 3. 5 become 8, there is an increase of 3. 1 become 5, there is an increase of 4. That means these 3 are in one pattern, but this is in the different pattern because of the difference is 4. So you can mark the odd man out as going to be option D here. Let's look at the next question. Mark the odd one out of the following. B, D, G, F, H, K, O, Q, T, N, P, T. First, write the alphabet positions. B is 2nd alphabet, D is the 4th alphabet, G is the 7th alphabet. F is 6, H is 8, K is 11th alphabet. O is 15, Q is 17, T is 20. N is 14, P is 16, T is 20. If you observe, there is a difference of 2 in the first pair. There is a difference of 3 here, here, here. But if you observe, there is a difference of 4 in this. So mark the answer choice as going to be option D. Let's look at the next question. 4 letter clusters are given below. Out of this, 3 are alike in some manner. Find the different one. So if you observe E, 12, G. What is E position? 5. What is G position? 7. What is 5 plus 7? 12. Okay, I understand. They are taken the alphabet positions and summation of alphabet positions is given in the middle. If you observe this, H is 8, I is 9, 8 plus 9 is 17. That is taken in the middle. Okay. A is 1, C is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4, but they taken it as 5. This may be the odd man out. Let's look at the other one. O is 15, B is 2. 15 plus 2 is 17. It is also matching. So the odd one out here is option C, which is A5C. Let's look at the next question. Find the odd one out here. So E, V, F, H, S, I, M, N, N, K, P, M. After looking at this, first and last letters if you look at. So first letter is E, last letter is F, E, F. And first letter is H, last letter is I, H, I in the sequence. First letter is M, last letter is N, M, N. First letter is K, last letter is M. If you look at, these are in sequence 5, 6, 8, 9, 13, 14, but 11, 13. So there is a difference of 2. So this is not matching. So E, F, H, I, M, and K, L should come, but they given K, M. So odd man out here is going to be option D in this. So like this, the questions are given under the letters. Let's look at word-based questions. How the word-based questions are given, we'll observe. Find the odd one out. Indus, Kavita, Brahmaputra, Narmada. Indus is a river. Brahmaputra is also a river. Narmada is also a river. Kavita is not a river. That is the reason we can go for the answer as option B. Let's look at the next one. Select the odd one out from the given 4. Rahul Dravid, Sunil Gavaskar, Sunil Chetri and Virat Kohli. If you observe, Rahul Dravid, Sunil Gavaskar, Virat Kohli are the Indian cricketers. But Sunil Chetri is Indian football player. That is the reason odd man out here is Sunil Chetri. Find the odd man out. Party club, temple, mosque, church. Temple, mosque, church. These are the places where people will go and pray. But if you look at party club, this is a place where the people will go and enjoy and have some fun. So that is the reason answer must be party club, available as A, mark it as answer. Let's look at the next one. Boy, child, man, lady. What is the odd man out here? If you observe, boy, child, man and lady. So lady is the only one which is different when it compares to this. So mark the answer choice as going to be option D, which is lady. Next one. Find the odd one of the following. River, lake, dam, pond. So river, lake, pond, all these are the natural resources. But if you look at the dam, which is going to be man-made construction. That is the reason odd man out here is going to be option C, dam. To follow, let's look at few questions on number based. So to solve the number based questions, student must aware of square numbers and cube numbers. Then they will be feeling comfortable of solving them. Find out odd man out 441, 289, 361, 343. If you look at these numbers, 441, it's a perfect square. 289 is a perfect square. 361 is a perfect square. But 343 is not a square number. So 21 square is 441. 17 square is 289. 19 square is 361. But 343 is not a perfect square. Actually, it is a perfect cube. 7 cube is 343. So you can mark the answer choice as going to be option D here. Let's look at the next one. If you observe, find out the odd one of the following. 1726, 512, 216, 1000. By looking at 512 and 216 and 1000, you must realize these are cube numbers. But the first option choice which is given 1726, it is not a perfect cube, but the nearest perfect cube is 1728. So the odd man out here is going to be option A, which is not a perfect cube. Let's look at the next one. So which of the given option choice is not an example of the number triad, triplet? So second number is a square, first number, and third number is a cube of the first number. So they given n, n square and n cube pattern. So which of the following is odd one? So 11 square 121, 11 cube is 1331, but they given 13441. So 11 square is 121, 11 cube is 1331. Very important number. So this is a wrong one given. If you observe 17 17 square is 289, 17 cube is 4913. And if you observe 13 square is 169, 13 cube is 2197. So that is also given correctly. And if you observe 12 square is 144, 12 cube is 1728. So all these are given correct, but except option A. So you can mark the answer option A here. Let's look at the next question. Select the odd pair of the following: 14, 25, 34, 49, 74, 121, 53, 67. So if you look at this number 14, what is the sum of the digits 1 plus 4? 5. They taken the square of it. 5 square is 25. That's the reason they taken it as 25. And if you look at 34, 3 plus 4 is giving a result as 7. 7 square is 49. They given correctly here. And if you observe the next number 74, 7 plus 4 which is 11. 11 square is 121. They given correctly here. If you look at the last one 53, 5 plus 3 is going to be 8. But 8 square is 64. They given 67. That is the reason odd man out is option D here. Let's look at the next one. Find out the odd man out of the following: 17, 27, 37, 47. If you observe 17 and 37 and 47 are prime numbers, but 27 is not a prime number. That is the reason odd man out is going to be option B in this. So hope you understand how the word based questions, letter based questions and number based questions are given. So that is what is a session. I am trying to give some practice questions. Solve these practice questions and comment your answer choices below. And don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and share with your friends so that it would be helpful for the students who are appearing for the Accenture examination. First practice question on the screen. Pause the video, look at the question, try to solve and answer in the comment box. Practice question number 2. Pause the video, look at the pattern, observe what is the odd one out and comment your answer below. Practice question number 3. Comment your answer. Practice question number 4. So just observe which is different out of the given 4 option choices. That itself is the answer. Practice question number 5. So please comment the answer choices so that it would be helpful. Thank you so much. See you in the next session.